Okay, we started recording. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. So we'll start about STIs. So what does the STI mean?
Sexually transmitted infections. Can I tell a bit of it?
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Uh, there are three most important ones, which include the chlamydia, trachomatis, gonorrhea, and trichomonas vaginalis. Mostly chlamydia and gonorrhea, they are given treatment together because they are together. They have similar symptoms and they are together causing urethral discharge syndrome. Okay. And chlamydia, mostly it causes cervicitis, urethritis, and proctitis.
Mm-hmm.
The symptoms are painful urination, vaginal discharge, discharge from penis, painful coitus, and there's vaginal bleeding between periods and after coitus. And there's testicular pain also. In men, the urethral swab is taken for NAT, which is the nucleic acid amplification test. And in women, even if they're asymptomatic, um, vulvovaginal swab is taken for this test, NAT. And if she's symptomatic, then endocervical swab is sent for a nucleic acid amplification test. If mostly the treatment that is given, that is ceftriaxone, 250 milligram IM, plus azithromycin 1 gram. And the other treatment is cefixime 400 milligram orally given, plus 1 gram azithromycin is given. And if it recurs, then we have to give the double strength of these two antibiotics. Like if there's retreatment of urethral discharge, then we have to give ceftriaxone 500 milligram IM as a single dose, plus 2 grams of azithromycin as a single dose.
Okay,
That's all. I know a
that's
little
all.
bit.
अच्छा
Yeah.
ठीक है. Thank you so much. अच्छा ये है कि STIs जो हैं they are basically infections passed from one person to another. ठीक है? I'll make it more simple for you. Through sexual contact, including vaginal, oral, or anal sex. Okay? So common STIs they include chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, herpes, human papillomavirus, and HIV. And many are treatable if detected early, right? So STIs they often do not cause symptoms. So routine screening is important, especially for sexually active adults and young adults. All right. So testing involves a urine test, blood test, swabs, or physical exam. Nucleic acid amplification tests are preferred for accuracy. Reducing the risk of STIs involves consistent condom use, limiting sexual partners, and getting vaccinated for types like hepatitis B and human papillomavirus. Right? STIs like syphilis and HIV can have serious complications if untreated. So, we need prompt testing and treatment, which is vital, along with notifying partners. PID, infertility, cervical cancer, and pregnancy complications are potential consequences of untreated STIs. So, we need to educate, we need to test, we need to do prompt treatment, we need to notify the partner, and we need to prevent. We need to do we need to apply strategies for prevention, like condoms, vaccines, or are a key public health approaches to control the STIs. Got it? So we'll just simplify it, right? So generally, I told you about STIs. Okay, so बिस्मिल्लाह करते हैं और हम अपनी केस पे चलते हैं. So I will just share my screen with you. 1 minute.
Starring डॉक्टर नादिया
जी.
वो असां लास्ट जो पेज में थी ना उसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि इसकी पिक्स आपको दिखाएंगे इन्फेक्शन की डिस्चार्ज की।
कौन कह रहे थे?
मुझे किसी से पता चला कि उन्होंने एसटीआई के जो टॉपिक था, एसटीआई वाला स्टेशन था, उसमें उन्होंने इसकी वैजाइनल पिक दिखाई थी कि ये डिस्चार्ज है या ये कंडीशन है, इसके अगेन आप बात करो।
अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है।
तो ये
रही
हमें तो
हाँ
देखनी पड़ेगी।
हाँ, देख लेंगे, वो भी देख लेंगे। अच्छा, ये राहील फाइल जरा दोबारा कोई शेयर कर दे, क्योंकि वो पीछे मैसेजेस बहुत ज्यादा आ गए।